Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what's your full name?
My full name is Amirakin Mia.
Okay, so today I'm going to ask you some question about yourself. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay, so your name is Rakin. So what can I call you?
You can call me Rakin.
Rakin. Okay, it's your short name.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your college name?
My college name is Soyud Degree College.
Okay, where it is located?
Madhapur.
Okay, it's located in Madhapur. Okay, so what class do you read in?
I read in class 12.
Okay, so do you have family?
Yes, I have family.
Okay, so how many people live in your family?
There are 7 people in my family.
Okay, so who are they?
My parents and siblings.
Okay, so that's really fantastic. Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yes, my 4 brothers and no sisters.
Okay, so that's also good. That's fantastic. You are doing a really good performance. So okay, so what's your village name?
My village name is Pejura.
Okay, so where it is located?
The 2K people.
No, where it is located?
Madhapur Habiganj.
Okay, it is located. Okay, so how many people live in your village?
2K people. 2K people in my
Village, live in your village. Okay,
Yes.
so who is your favorite person?
My favorite person, my mother.
Oh, your mother. Do you love your mother?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mamutha Begum.
Okay, so what's your father's name?
My father's name is Naeem Mia.
Okay, so do you have friends?
Yes, I have love.
Lot of friends.
Friends, yeah.
Okay, so who is your best friend?
My best friend name is MD Rahat Mia.
Okay, so what's your coaching center's name?
My coaching center name is English Message.
Okay, so do you learn English?
Yes.
Do you love English?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to speak more natural?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all about today's video. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.